Well, we're back, and this is across the street at Sunset Mobile Home Park. Derek and I decided to take a walk because this morning someone was stupid and ran over the cones right across the street from our home. You see D? D is warning fellow drivers to stay off our road.
And why is that, Brittany?
Why is that? Because there is an obstacle to overcome, and that is the flood covering the entire road down here.
Wow!
Wow! So Derek and I were gonna go to Walmart because we're absolutely bored to tears. But I think if we wanted to go, we'd have to raft there.
We'll just take the hovercraft.
And I thought it was hilarious that someone was like mowing their lawn over here.
Well, whatever's left of it.
Yeah. They should be packing because we're supposed to get another bout of rain tonight or this afternoon, I don't know.
Some kind of fence underwater.
Yeah. And this is probably gonna flood some more. That fence is underwater. And here is more of the road that is completely covered by water. And I'm actually curious to see how much of this road is completely covered.
All we need is a giant sponge.
Derek, you amaze me. First you say we should get huge fans along the eastern coast to blow away the hurricanes. And now you're saying we should just get a sponge to like mop up this mess?
A giant sponge.
Alright Derek, take over. I want to take a little swim.
Alright. She goes. She's going to Walmart anyway. I'm not going with her because I don't have any rain boots. And you're stupid.
My feet are soaking wet now.
Fail. Well, don't stop there then. Keep going. Walmart's that way.